What the team at Hi-Tec Autos in Rotherham doesn't know about cars, it just isn't worth knowing. Their knowledge of all things motoring is exemplary, and combining this knowledge together with an outstanding skill set and the very latest technology, you can be assured that when you take your car to Hi-Tec Autos, it's going to be in the very best hands. It doesn't matter what it is that you need, from servicing to MOTs, from repairs following an accident to diagnostics, from tyres and exhausts to maintenance, aircon and more. Hi-Tec Autos is your one-stop shop for all things motoring. Add outstanding customer service together with superb value for money into the mix, and you'll soon come to understand why Hi-Tec Autos is the go-to place for so many motorists from in and around South Yorkshire. Make it Hi-Tec Autos for all your motoring needs.